So today is October 11th, 2020, and there was a North Park tree planting event. After about a 7-minute hike in from Scott Cabin, North Park Trail Runners planted hundreds of trees today. I think it was like 650 or something. It was just so beautiful with all the fall colors. And the new trees, I'll show you what it looks like. Restoring the tree canopy. So the trees went in with cages and some stakes to hold them up, hopefully to keep the deer from eating them. I didn't even see the little pine trees, but they had pine trees, oak trees, tulip trees, some trees I could not identify. There's a few different kinds. There's a whole lot of them up there because I guess some storms come through and ripped out a lot of trees a few years ago. But everything is just so gorgeous up here. October 11th, it seems like it's probably the peak of the fall colors. Either this weekend or next weekend. It was a pretty big area here. It was filled with new trees. This is on the orange trail. So you take orange white up to connect to the orange. And I don't know if it's 3/4 of a mile or a mile in. I think this might be a boundary over here. They got about this far. Okay, walk through a little. Okay, so there's here's a view from up higher. You can see there's some openings. The trees have come out, and they're hoping to fill the gaps. The tulip tree. Some oak trees. Hi.